Getting your first 1,000 users is one of the hardest and most important milestones in a startup's journey. These early adopters help shape your product, spread the word, and give you the data you need to grow. In this lesson, we'll explore how to build and nurture your first 1,000 users with clarity, intention, and care. Start by identifying your ideal early user. These aren't just anyone. They're people with the problem your product solves who are open to trying something new. The more specific you can be, the easier it is to reach them. Narrow your focus. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Your first users often come from your personal network. Reach out directly to friends, colleagues, or past clients who fit your target profile. Be honest. Say you're building something and want their feedback, not just their sign-up. People are more likely to help when you lead with curiosity instead of a pitch. Make onboarding easy. Once someone signs up, the goal is to get them to their first moment of value quickly. Remove friction. Offer tutorials, welcome emails, or short walkthroughs. The faster someone finds value, the more likely they are to stick around. Talk to your users constantly. Send personal emails. Schedule quick calls. Ask open-ended questions. What's working for them? What's confusing? What would they love to see next? These conversations are your best source of insight and your best tool for loyalty. Create community around your product. This could be a Slack group, Discord server, newsletter, or social channel. Give users a space to connect, ask questions, and share wins. A strong community not only retains users, it turns them into advocates. Celebrate your users. Highlight them in your content. Share their success stories. Thank them for feedback. When people feel seen and appreciated, they're more likely to engage and more likely to invite others. Referral programs can help too. Reward users for spreading the word, whether it's with discounts, early access, or shout-outs. But don't rely on gimmicks. The real driver of referrals is a product people love using and want to share. Content is another tool to nurture your audience. Publish how-to guides, case studies, product updates, and insights that help users get more value. Keep your tone friendly and your message useful. Good content builds trust, answers questions, and keeps people engaged between product touches. Track key behaviors. What features are your early users drawn to? Where do they drop off? Use tools like Mixpanel or Hotjar to get a clearer picture of how people interact with your product, and use that data to optimize. Be responsive. If someone reaches out with a bug, question, or feature request, reply fast and helpfully. Great support leaves a lasting impression. Even if you can't fix something right away, showing that you care builds loyalty. As you approach 1,000 users, patterns will emerge. You'll start to see who your best users are, what channels work best, and what makes people stick. Use these insights to shape your roadmap, your marketing, and your messaging. Remember, these first 1,000 users are special. They took a chance on you before the hype, before the polish. Treat them like insiders. Make them feel like part of the journey. And never stop listening. Let's build your early user base with empathy, hustle, and long-term vision.